In this tutorial you are going to learn how to set up appointment bookings from your user dashboard.
Listing for appointment. It's published and associated with Appointment Enable paid plan. Here you can see on dashboard an appointment tab. We will click here. And here you're having a Start Now button to start accepting appointments from all your listings. I'll click on this and now set up appointments. Set the appointment duration for each time slot. From here you can set the duration for each slot. I'll choose 30 minutes. It's global settings, and if you set it, you set all of your listings will appointments, and from here you can add listing to accept bookings for appointments. I'll choose listings for appointments. Now this is plus button. I'll click it and it's added in the listing. Now we will check the appointment details from here. On the right side of the page you can see in your sidebar section there is a page of book an appointment. There is a tab of book an appointment. We will click here. It's showing me some available slot for appointments. Basically all these time slots are according to your business hours. If you don't have business hours, you won't be able to set appointment. Like today is Thursday and time is 9 AM to 5 PM. So I will get all the appointments until 5 PM. Now I will set a slot 4:30 PM to 5 PM. Now I'm landed to a form which is appointment booking form. And now I'll set a day, Saturday, but Saturday is a day off. This will work according to my system's time. Let me click on 4:30 to 5 PM. Here it's showing me a date, day and time. And the time slot we can see here is 30-minute slot. As we have set it from settings and users dashboard, this is user who is having this listing. Let us book it. Adams. Email address, phone number, description. This is my appointment. Now we will click book now and awesome job. It's mean your request has been submitted to the listing on.
The remaining part of the tutorial on how to set up appointment bookings is continued in part 2 video.